Welcome to another episode of Monday Munchies Keto Edition, where you, the viewers, decide on what I'm going to make and see if it's any good. You guys have voted, and the recipe is skirt steak with mustard sauce. I got this recipe from Tasty. It calls for a pound of skirt steak, but I went ahead and just got the half a pound just because it's just me here. I just added a tablespoon of olive oil here. You'll probably want to use a little bit more for the full skirt steak. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add this in. Salt and pepper here. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes each side, over medium heat. Okay, I just transferred it onto a cutting board to let it rest. But then once it rests, we're going to add the juices back to the pan. Okay, just note, since I halved the steak, I don't have a whole lot of excess juice. So to this, we're going to add 1/4 cup of beef broth. Okay, we're going to try and get the brown bits off the bottom of the pan. 1 tablespoon butter. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Stir to combine. And 1.5 tablespoons of capers in their brine. We're going to give it a stir and then wait for it to thicken for about 1 to 2 minutes. I wanted to go ahead and make the thumbnail first, but I think what I'm going to do to make this a little bit more keto-tastic is to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Let's see how it does. All right, that was quick. All right, y'all, that's pretty good looking steak. Okay, y'all, who needs a fork? Oh man, that's good. That's really good for a simple recipe. Obviously, if you don't like mustard, you're not going to like this. The mustard, though, seems to be toned down a little bit, which is surprising. But let me try it with this little piece and the heavy whipping cream. Just going to do a little extra dab here. Okay, got a little bit. That really lifts up that sauce quite a bit. Definitely add heavy whipping cream. On another note, let me know if you like Monday Munchies. I might have to move it around a little bit because Mondays is just getting to be a little bit too much right after the weekend. If you want other simple recipe ideas, I've got a whole video on some of mine. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.